What is up, everybody? Nick here from TeamPurpleCraft, and today I am here with Cora from BFF Labs. Link to her channel in the description below.
I will explain what we're doing, right?
Yes,
okay,
Cora's going to explain.
I know exactly what this is. So it's called the Slime Telepathy Challenge. As you can see, we have a wall in between us, so we cannot see what's on either side of the person's side, I guess. And so the Slime Telepathy Challenge, if you have not seen it yet, is I pick one of the slime ingredients and put it into my slime bowl, and then Nick picks one that he thought that I picked. So like, it's like telepathy. Like you have to guess what they picked, and if you get it right, you get a point, and you put it into your slime, and if you get it wrong, you still put it into your slime, but you don't get a point. And the goal is at the end to have the same exact slime. So time for round one. Round one is glue. So I'm gonna pick a glue without him seeing.
We had to put him in the chair.
Yeah, because he was too tall. Okay, gotta add it.
You know, like just like the last time we did one of these slime challenges, I cannot understand a thing you say, so I'm just gonna go with what we're doing.
Okay, then I'll pass it over to him.
Alrighty. So, yeah. Also, guys, there will be a poll on the video for who you think wins this. Alrighty, now I'm given the okay. Alrighty. I now must guess what you did.
Yeah, say it out loud.
Alrighty.
They're doing it differently.
Yeah, we're doing it a little differently because we don't have two of everything. So say it out loud. Which one you chose?
Alrighty, that one.
Which one did you choose?
I chose the see-through glue.
Oh, you got a point. Okay.
Yes, I kind of.
Next round!
I looked at it before we started to see how much there was, and realized that there wasn't as much when we.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty, time to go to the next round.
Next round. This is round
Okay,
2.
so now in round 2 we go for the lotions. Cora cannot see what I'm going to pick.
No, I can't.
So, alrighty, let me just quickly move this down. Alrighty, I'll do
I have a feeling I know what
this.
he's picked. Because one of them's pink, and I don't think I'll choose the pink one, but... Okay.
Okay,
Is he doing it right?
He's putting it on
alrighty, I'm gonna send that over to
Okay.
you.
Okay. So I'm thinking...
Nova.
I'm gonna be right back.
I'm thinking...
Wait, did you actually put it in?
So I'm
Okay,
thinking that he did this one because this cap is super loud. I would have been able to know. So, Nick, I choose this one for you. Did you choose this one?
I did, you get a point.
I knew it because this one is so loud. Listen, it's so loud.
What I did was I popped both of them at the same time.
Okay, so
Hi.
Kind of.
that's Max is the cameraman.
Yeah.
So
I'm the cameraman.
Alrighty, we will be right back for
round
3.
round 3 is consistency. So we can either make a
Fluffy
fluffy
slime.
slime or
A
a
jiggly,
jiggly
slime.
which is this is just water to make it jiggly.
Okay.
So I'm gonna choose one. Plug your ears so it doesn't give away which one it is.
There.
Can I?
No,
unplug
you can't unplug.
Okay.
Now
Can I
I'll
unplug them now? Alrighty. Okay, now Cora,
Oh,
plug your eardrums.
one.
No, not both. No, not both.
He got a point. I can hear it. Yay! You got a point. Okay, so he has 2 points.
He's winning.
No, well, actually, I haven't gone yet for this round. So right now we have a fluffy slime. I used a lot. Nick didn't use half as much as I
No. This time,
I'm gonna have to change
it's
my.
color. No, wait, no, sorry.
Oh wait, no. Next round. No, that's the last round. Okay.
Oh.
Next round.
Okay, so next round is color. We have
Yellow,
orange.
yellow.
Or,
Yellow. It's yellow.
it's red.
No, it's yellow.
It's yellow.
That's the yellow. Okay, we got yellow and we got green. So I am going to pick the one. It's orange. It's orange, not yellow.
Okay.
Oh, BKB. Now I'm going to go and shove that over there.
Nick, I would think that he would pick green because that's his favorite color, but no. He picked
No, I was.
orange.
It's not orange.
Yellow. Yellow. And he said, oh, it's orange.
That's
not
1
yellow.
point for Cora.
So we are tied. So yeah, go to the next
Alrighty.
round.
So we're going.
Round 5.
Last
This
round.
one, no, there's 2 more. There's one more round after
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Okay, so there's this one is stuff to put in your slime. There's these seashells, and then these beads.
Oh my
So
God, my
I'm gonna
slime's
choose
ruined.
one to put in. I'm not gonna put very many in because there's not many of either one. So
What happened to my slime? I added some lotion to it.
okay,
Ew.
so I added one.
I
Now,
added lotion to it.
okay, so I added it. Here you go.
Alrighty. Alright, two. Alright, me. Alright, you.
Oh! Cora, this is... I put...
Cora, you added the little tiny balls.
How do you know all of them? Okay,
Okay.
you ruined your slime. Okay, so now for
No, I
round 6.
Round...
Round
Okay.
6.
Round 6, we're going in for the activators.
This is the
And
last round.
yeah, this does mean one little thing. If you would enjoy that, cows do indeed love.
If you choose that one, you have to add...
Yeah, I know. I'm going to choose whatever I'm going to choose, and that is what I'm going to choose. So, if that makes sense. If you guys do speak English, then good for you. Anyway, let me put that there. And let me just pour this
I added
down on there. Alrighty. I'm still
that?
pouring. I'm still pouring, and we have finished. Alrighty. Cora, here you go. Max will
One.
transfer it.
2.
And then I gotta.
I
So did
think
the thing.
I think this one, because this one is still full. So I think this one,
Ding, 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 and a
You
cow
have
with a
exactly
pickle.
the
we
same
have the same
sign.
score. We both have.
The same sign.
Can we just
No.
pick all of the same thing all game?
Yes, we tied.
Alrighty, I'm not gonna bother
Let's
picking
see.
mine up because I realized I made mine wrong.
Okay, hold on.
How did you make
We're
it
gonna
wrong?
activate
I'm gonna mix
these
it, I'm gonna
and
mix
then
it.
we'll be right
Okay,
back.
I
So
got it.
Max,
Can I have
go
it?
turn off the video.
Okay.
I get it because he doesn't like Simon. And I
Bye!
Hey guys, yeah.
So yeah, this is what mine looks like. It's like a banana cream almost.
This is what mine looks like. It's
I made a
disgusting.
tropical slime.
So,
I made a tropical
Comment
slime.
down below which one do you
Yeah,
think
there'll be a
won.
poll on the video that I
Yeah,
will do.
You've said that 5 times.
if this
Which
happens-
one do you think won? I think it's in the I button somewhere on the top.
Somewhere at the top.
Like
Yeah, there'll be a poll
right
on the video. Wait,
here,
and
I
maybe
think.
right there. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this slime video and do want to see more slime, then do leave a like. And if this happens to be the first video you've seen by any of the Team PurpleCraft peoples, then consider subscribing because that will be great. I'm going to try getting this off my hand, and yeah, go through that, and don't forget there will be a poll in the video, and I'll see you guys all next time. See ya!
Bye!